Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Discord account on your PC or laptop. So first of all, you just have to open the Google Chrome browser or any browser, and then you have to come for this discord.com, and now you have to tap on this download for Windows, and it will be downloaded in your PC or laptop, and then you have to install it. And after installing, you will see the Discord application in your laptop. You just simply have to run the application, and when you open the Discord application, it will look like this. And now you have to create account. Simply just tap on this register, and then as you can see, you have to enter your email address, and now you have to enter the display name here, username, and then you have to set the password, and then you have to enter your date of birth. And then after checking this option, you can simply tap on this continue, and after that it will ask you to verify your email address, and after verifying, your account on Discord will be open and look like this, as you can see. So this is the Discord account, and that's how you can create your Discord account on laptop or PC. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.